Looking for the best non-toxic cutting board for your kitchen? In this video, we break down safe, durable, and eco-friendly options that keep harmful chemicals away from your food. From wood to bamboo to modern alternatives, discover what truly matters before you buy and find the perfect cutting board for healthier, everyday cooking at home with confidence and ease. There are many best non-toxic cutting boards to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best non-toxic cutting boards from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Titanium Cutting Board Set of 3. Upgrade your kitchen with the Titanium Cutting Board Set of 3, designed for versatility, hygiene, and long-lasting performance. This set includes 3 convenient sizes: 16 by 10 inches, 13 by 8 inches, and 10.5 by 6.5 inches. Perfect for handling everything from small fruits to large meal prep while saving space and keeping your kitchen organized. Crafted from a one-piece molded titanium alloy with no glue or adhesives, these boards are completely non-toxic, durable, and safe for everyday use. The double-sided design allows easy separation of raw and cooked foods, enhancing food safety and flavor. Featuring a smooth, brushed, non-porous surface, they resist stains, odors, and moisture, unlike traditional wood or plastic boards. Cleaning is effortless. Just rinse with water or place them in the dishwasher. With sleek aesthetics and premium packaging, this set also makes a thoughtful, health-focused gift for any modern kitchen enthusiast. Number 2. Non-toxic cutting boards. Upgrade your kitchen essentials with these non-toxic cutting boards, thoughtfully designed for safe, eco-friendly food preparation. Finished with a natural blend of unbleached beeswax, flaxseed oil, and lemon oil, these boards are completely free from mineral oil, BPA, and phthalates, ensuring a clean and chemical-free cooking experience. Each board features laser-engraved icons for meat, vegetables, and cheese, helping prevent cross-contamination while keeping your prep organized. The set includes 3 versatile sizes: 17 by 11 inches, 14 by 9 inches, and 11 by 7 inches, ideal for everything from quick snacks to full meals. Crafted from FSC-certified hardwood, these boards support sustainable sourcing while delivering durability and a premium feel. With zero plastic used in both product and packaging, you can enjoy a truly natural kitchen upgrade. Easy to clean and designed for everyday use, they offer a balance of beauty, function, and peace of mind for health-conscious home cooks. Number 3. 3-pack teak wood cutting board. Elevate your kitchen with the 3-pack teak wood cutting board set, combining durability, elegance, and everyday functionality. Crafted from FSC-certified teak wood, these boards feature a non-slip base for added stability and safety during food prep, while rounded edges provide a comfortable grip. The set includes 3 versatile sizes: 10-inch, 13-inch, and 17-inch, perfect for quick slicing to large meal preparation or stylish serving. Naturally moisture-resistant and food-safe, teak wood offers long-lasting performance without the need for plastic, coatings, or harmful finishes. The smooth, beautiful grain ensures effortless cutting while enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic. Easy to maintain with simple hand washing and occasional oiling, these boards are built for regular use and long-term reliability. Responsibly sourced and ethically produced, they support sustainable practices while delivering premium quality, making them a smart and eco-conscious addition to any modern kitchen. Number 4. Titanium Cutting Board Set of 3. Upgrade your kitchen with the Titanium Cutting Board Set of 3, designed for maximum hygiene, durability, and effortless meal preparation. This premium Resend set includes 3 dual-sided boards in M, L, and XL sizes, offering 6 versatile prep surfaces for complete food separation and organized cooking. Each board features a titanium side for raw meat and seafood and a PP side for vegetables, fruits, bread, and cooked foods, ensuring zero cross-contamination and clean, safe meals every time. Crafted with 99.99% pure titanium, these boards are naturally odor-resistant, non-corrosive, and highly hygienic, making them ideal for baby food and sensitive diets. With balanced hardness levels, they help protect your knife edges while withstanding over 5,000 cuts for long-term reliability. Unlike bamboo or plastic boards, they resist warping, odors, and chemical leaching, offering a stable and healthy cutting surface. Easy to rinse and maintain, this set is a complete modern kitchen solution built for safety, strength, and everyday convenience. Number 5. Acacia Wood Cutting Board for Kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Acacia Wood Cutting Board for Kitchen, a perfect blend of eco-friendly design, durability, and everyday functionality. Crafted from FSC-certified acacia wood and finished with 100% food-grade mineral oil, these boards are completely free from BPA, phthalates, synthetic coatings, and microplastics, ensuring a safe and non-toxic food prep experience. Built to be strong yet gentle on knife blades, they resist cracking and warping while maintaining long-lasting performance. The set includes 3 versatile sizes: large 15.7 by 12.8 inches, medium 13.9 by 9.5 inches, and small 10.2 by 7 inches, ideal for chopping, slicing, serving, or creating elegant charcuterie displays. Smart features like built-in juice grooves help catch liquids and keep countertops clean, while serving compartments add extra convenience. A bonus storage stand keeps your boards organized, dry, and beautifully displayed. Easy to maintain with simple hand washing, these naturally odor-resistant boards make a thoughtful, premium gift for any kitchen, combining beauty, practicality, and sustainable craftsmanship in one essential set. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.